Hello and welcome. My name is Cami Cortez and I am the mom teacher. Today we're going to do a short sight word activity. You can see on the whiteboard that we have some mixed up sight words. So the boys and girls and I are going to play a game where we figure out what sight words are hiding in there. These are in the first 100 sight words. So get ready, go get your kids. They don't need anything today, but it might be fun for them to get a whiteboard and a marker and an old sock for an eraser or whatever kind of eraser you have, or a pencil and a paper, and they can practice writing the sight words after we finish playing. So thanks for tuning in today. Please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Hello, boys and girls. I'm so glad you came to be with me today. You can see on our board over here that we have sight word. Wait, you don't see any sight words up there? Yeah, these don't look like any sight words I know. Do you think they're mixed up a little bit? I hope I didn't trick you. I did mix them up. And today you and I are going to work together to get them unscrambled. When you mix something up, scrambled. Where have you heard the word scrambled before? Scrambled eggs. Yes. Close your eyes and picture how you scramble an egg. If you watched our chaffle video, you saw us put 2 eggs into a bowl, use a whisk, and scramble them. Now open your eyes, and together we're going to say what the word scramble means. Scramble means to mix up. And our sight words today are scrambled. So we're going to work together and see if we can figure out which sight words are here. Now, if you have a whiteboard and a marker or a pencil and a paper, you might want to write these down after we get them sorted out. So play along with me first, and then I'll give you just a minute to write that down, that unscrambled sight word, to write it on your board or your paper, and then we'll move on to the next one. Are you ready to play? Me too. Here we go. Okay. R-E-T-E-H. R-E-T-E-H. I think that 2 of these might go together really well. And we know that sometimes it's a double E, and sometimes it's the T and the H. And I'm going to give you a hint on this one, that we're going to start this one with a TH, but then we're going to mix it up and form another word as well. So I'm going to start my sight word right up here on the top with the T and the H. Now we know that T and H together, that's the mad H brother, and he says, sticks out his tongue and says, what sight word begins with the? Well, the is a sight word that begins that way. You are so right about that, T-H-E. But we still have 2 other letters. What if we put the E and then we R? We know that E and R sometimes go together. There. 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 Oh my goodness. There. T-H-E-R-E spells there. Go ahead and write down the word there on whatever you have. And if you need to pause the video to do that, that's okay. You go ahead and push pause, and you can pick right back up when you're finished. Well done. Let's move on to our next sight word. T-Y-H-E. T-Y-H-E. Well, we used the T-H here. I wonder if this begins with a T-H also. Let's try those. T-H. I see some of you already starting with that sight word the, and we know that the with a Y on the end is they. The with a Y is they. Wow, you are doing so well. If you want to write this down, this is a good time. Good work. Here we go. Oh, no TH in this one. Do you know any sight words that begin with D or G? Or maybe even O? Because this one has an O, a D, a G, and another O. What could that be? We know that O goes together sometimes. So let's put the O and the O together. O. Now, maybe it's like dog. D-oog. Doog? What's a doog? That's no sight word. I wonder what will happen if we switch the D and the G. G-O-O-D. Good. Good. Now's the time to write it down, and don't forget, if you need to pause in order to write, this is a good time. Moving on. Ooh, M-H-E-T. H-T, a T-H again. Let's start with the T-H again. And the E. This is another one of those sight words that starts with the sight word the. But when we move the M to the end, T-H-E-M, them. Write it down. You're working hard and growing your brain. I'm very proud of you. 2 more. U-R-D-N-E. U-R-D-N-E. This is tricky. If we put the D, well, those letters don't look like any sight word I know. How about an R? R-U, run? Runned. If we did R-U-N, well, this looks like runned. The ED means it already happened, and this is run, but do we say runned? We don't say that. We say ran, right? Ran is the past tense, meaning it already happened. We don't use the ED for that. What will happen if I move the here? Do we know a sight word that has something? ER ending. Under. Wow, we're almost finished. Take a stop right here and write that down. One left. YWH. WH. That is the H brother who tried to whistle and just couldn't and said, wh. I. WHY, sight word, why. Why? Why is this always over too quickly? Do you want a bonus word? I can change one of our sight words into a different sight word. Do you think I can do that? I can. Everyone there, close your eyes. Open. Do you see which one I changed? Do you know how I changed it? Here it is. THREE spells three. Three. Write that last word down on your paper with your pencil or on your whiteboard with your whiteboard marker. Good job working so hard today. If you have magnet letters at your house, you can play a game with your mom, dad, brothers, sisters, cousins, whoever happens to be at your home today, and you can make up your own mixed up sight words. If you don't have magnet letters, guess what? You can play too. You just need a pencil and a paper, and you can ask your partner to do a mixed up sight word, and they can give you that paper for you to straighten out and write the true sight word that isn't, what was that word? Scrambled. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked what you saw, please hit like and subscribe below for more episodes of The Mom Teacher.